Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemana serai. Kau gangam lut barak sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memang isu dah.
Iding buon ba cakap sana mah. Atrai di bentim naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah kitiat taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haga jingkran jung hiye norbar haga por be shim benta haga cut motion menyekran haloga rukam terekam jang katanan Pule. Dr.Mukul Sangma lapun pa ke jing sngokya haloga jing bun ki jaka lum Pisa Be-Aiñ hacilinter ke surak pa khamtam lagi trokit dawyong. Dr.Mukul loong bakani ke jing lum Pisa Be-Aiñ kala penjat di Samla Pule jang gejala. Namar batang syumi ubenai risau, nai wing bat nopra, ki bebun ki Samla Pule, kimpoi syaki kelas jangki, namar babrok syimit ki ap krong Pisa, ha National Highway. Ulong bakal don ke way ke por, bu udan ubay uhek Pulet ubala syakot ngobha, menyekaran selok bat ki Samla Pule, ha ke way ke Nongïalam, bat utau uhek Pulet ula keli ki Samla Pule, hatu ki Kwah ban long ayu ha ke jengim jangki. Kidan ki boong bagi Kwah long doktor, long engineer, bat na pedang ki bebun udan ubai Samla ubong bu Kwah long Nongïalam Sengbhalang bat utau hek Pulet ula linggo bat ukli balai bat utau Samla ujubab bu Kwah ban kamai suk dak balum Pisa Be-Aiñ. Dr.Mukul lapenkan mau bahad mentaru ke hukum ke belasoi haus nam arda chipho hagapor bu ulong menteri rangba kadang don bat hakata ke hukum ulong belakang persya ke jinglum Pisa Be-Aiñ hasilinter ke surak bat kata ke hukum ke ulong balada kata ke jinglum Pisa Be-Aiñ kadang beteng kibor penyait distrik baru SP jang kata ke distrik on hak ban shim jingkit kli.
The access to easy money is facilitated by when authorities who are vested with the responsibility to crack on violators of law start compromising and turning blind eyes. That is precisely what has happened in respect of the recent incident, unfortunate incident in West Garo Hills. Precisely. I have all the inputs and evidences of some of the officers who are engaging in this kind of illegalities, and I brought it to the authorities concerned. Action was taken also. This issue is known by the Honorable Deputy CM, also the Chief Minister. Officers engaging in illegalities. It was only the tip of the iceberg. I took action to inform the authorities concerned, only to alert the government and the authorities, so that based on those leads, they can be considered as the lead to further know what is happening on the ground. Therefore, the innumerable tendency of the youth, I remember in earlier days prior to 2010, how many illegal check gates were there in the Arswell NH62? Countless. To collect money from the coal trucks. By October, November, December, our youth who were in college, who were in institutions, will bunk their classes and go to NH62. Whole night they will stay there. That's how we had all these school dropouts, college dropouts. At that point of time, Generation 1 has been lost. Therefore, the government had to take a very bold decision when I, as Chief Minister in 2010, issued an executive order that all these illegal check gates and collection of money, if allowed, then the responsibility will be fixed on the district administration, the deputy commissioner, and the SP. That order is still, that executive order still is operational. It might have been issued during that time in 2010 while Dr.Mukul was Chief Minister, but it was an executive order based on the approval of the Chief Minister to curtail on these criminalities, illegalities, which has destroyed our generations. Therefore, the same thing has now started happening. Too many people have looked at this space to collect money now. We are spoiling our children. One of the superintendent of police, who was implementing as per the program of this career counseling and career guidance scheme of the government. He went to the schools, then he came up with something which surprised him, an element of surprise which confronted him while interacting with the students. So he wanted to know what is the aim of the students, So everybody started saying somebody's aim is to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, politician. One boy said, it seems, NGO leader. So he was a new officer, an IPS officer. He was tempted to further ask, NGO leader, something new for him. That everybody was saying something else, but then that young man who was at class 10 was saying, I want to be an NGO leader. So he wanted to know, why do you want to be an NGO leader? What exactly it is that attracts you to be an NGO leader? Then he said, no, I want to be an NGO leader because now people don't get job, so I can also collect money. Perception. Perception. This is the perception that prevailed. That is, at least what I'm saying is something which is of 12 years back. That's why perception, which influenced the mindset of our youth, of our people. And in absence of job, I would like to reiterate, even now, we may have abundance of opportunity which is organic in nature for entrepreneurship, for business, but then job in the government sector cannot be, somehow allowed to be subjected to shrinking and shrinking.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.